and welcome my dear grade 9 elite math students to today's session where we are going to be revising end of term 3 exam coverage part 2 learning objective 15. So this is Miss Ruchika welcoming you all to today's session, and now you have just 1 week left for your math exam, so I wish you all the very best. Let's get started with this video on a bright and positive note, and let's see what we are learning today. So let's solve this question 17, which is based on identifying and interpreting intercepts of a function. So for this question, we have to find two things. Number one is the x and y intercept. Number two is the x and y intercept interpretation. What do they represent? So here, if you read this carefully, there's a word problem given, and along with that, you have a table of values. Now, this table of values, if you read carefully, represents x as the number of days. So this first column represents x. So x is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And y represents the remaining balance. So y is this column of account balance. So what is happening? Let's read the problem carefully. At the beginning of the week, Aksha's parent deposited $20 into her lunch account. So when it is day 0, she has how much money? $20. This is for her lunch. The amount of money Aksha has left after each day is shown. So after the first day is over, she is left with $16. That means she spent $4 on her lunch. Then at day 2, she has $12, and day 3, she has $8, and so on till day 5, where she has no money left. So what you need to find here is the x and y intercept. Remember, x intercept is the point where the graph of the function touches the x-axis. So at x-intercept, remember the other coordinate, that is y is 0. So look at the graph and see where is y 0. Y is account balance, this column. So y is 0 at x equal to 5. So x equal to 5 here becomes your x-intercept. If you want to write the point is going to be x equal to 5, y equal to 0. So this is your x-intercept. Now let's go to y-intercept. At y-intercept, your x is going to be 0. So let's go back to the table. We are using the table. So x is 0 in the beginning where there is $20 in our account. So y-intercept is going to be $20. If you run the point, it is going to be x equal to 0, y equal to 20. So we've got the x and y intercepts as x-intercept being, let's write x-intercept first. So x-intercept is 5, 0 as you see from here, and y-intercept is 0, 20. So these are the two answers. Now what do x and y intercepts represent? Means what is their interpretation? Let's see what is the understanding. So let's first go to x-intercept. X-intercept here is 5. It means in 5 days she's gonna finish all her money. There's no money left with her. And y-intercept means the beginning when she got the money. So in day 0 she's got $20. So this is the beginning of the money. So that's how you interpret. Let's now go to question 18. Again, we have to find the x and y intercept. So now it is easy for you. So we go to the table. X is representing the time. Y is representing the height. So this is the x and y table. So for x-intercept, we need y0. So where is y0 in the table? We go to y and see where it is 0. So therefore, the x-intercept is going to be 7, 0. For y-intercept, x is going to be 0. So this is the point, 0, 3. Now let's see what is the interpretation. What does it represent in the context of the equation? So what is this actually showing? A person is playing golf, and in the first shot on every hole can be hit from a tree. The table shows the height h. So y represents the height. Okay, so this is the height that the golf ball is taking in time x seconds after it has been hit off. So in the beginning, if you see, when time is 0, what height is the golf ball? It is 3. So therefore the y-intercept represents the height of the golf ball in the beginning when time is 0, and 7, 0 means this is the time in which the ball returns to height 0 or the ground. So the x-intercept 7, 0 represents the time that the ball takes to come back to the ground. So I hope you've understood these two questions nicely based on x and y intercepts. Now I'm going to show you the correct answers. So this is given in pink. Okay, and just to correct you here, the x and y intercept are given in the wrong order. This is the x intercept, this is the y intercept. Okay, be careful of that. You don't have to mix the two, and this is how the question will be solved. Brings us to the end of today's video where you identified and interpreted the x and y intercepts of function. I hope you found the video useful, and if you did, do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with all your friends who are going to give the exam on coming 12th of June. And this is Mr. Chika wishing you all the very best for your coming math exam. See you in my next video. Bye bye.